In my previous video, the last question which I had discussed, it was incomplete because of some technical problems. So I have already deleted and edited that particular video, and I will send you after a while. And now in this video we are going to discuss a very important part of this complex number, that is square root of a number. Before discussing it, I have come to know, I have learned from different feedbacks. Many of the students have contacted me, many of the students have sent me some of the questions they are unable to understand. Of course, students, you are in class 11 and the syllabus is completely changed. So therefore, you have to adopt the methodology and the topics regularly. If suppose you are unable to cope up with this, look at the videos again and again and try to understand the contents which I am discussing. And still if you find difficulties, I'll keep one day, complete one day for your discussion classes. Whatever the problems you will send, I will discuss as a mass. So therefore don't worry for that. In the beginning you will feel little difficulties, but it doesn't mean that you will quit. You continue, I will help you. So how to find out the square root of any complex number? In order to find out the square root of any complex number, you have to apply some of the algebraic identities. What is that? A plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. This is one of the very important identity, and this is only the identity on and often we will apply in this case. Before finding out the values of the square root of the number, we will keep in a square root and let us that the value of the square root is considered as a standard form of a complex number. So let us discuss. I will discuss all these three questions because all the three questions are in a different mode. So first, let 7 plus 24i is equal to a plus ib. What I said, the square root of this is considered as in a standard form. Squaring both sides, you have 7 plus 24i is equal to a plus ib whole square. 7 plus 24i a square plus I square b square plus 2i ab. Do you follow? A plus b whole square. And therefore 7 plus 24i is equal to I square is equal to how much? Minus 1. So a square minus b square plus 2i ab. Now compare the real part and the imaginary part. So you will get the value a square minus b square is equal to 7, equation number 1, and 2ab is equal to 24, equation number 2. You have the value of a minus b. Suppose a square is your a and b square is your b. You have the value of a minus b. A minus b, you need to find out a plus b. What is your a? A is your a square. What is your b? B is your b square. So therefore, can you find out a square plus b square whole square is equal to a square minus b square whole square plus 4 a square b square. Just now I said what is in place of a in place of a is a square and in place of b is your b square. Therefore, here a square plus b square whole square. What is the value of a square minus b square? 7 square plus 4a square b square can be written as 2ab whole square, and so it will be a square minus b square whole square is equal to 49 plus 2ab is 24, 43 are 24 whole square. So 49 plus 576, is it not 625, and therefore a square minus b square is equal to 25, equation number 3. You add 1 and 3, a square minus b square, sorry, it will be plus. Minus b square is equal to how much? 7. Add it on adding. B square cancel, 2a square is equal to 32. Therefore, a square is equal to 16. Therefore, a is equal to how much? Plus minus 4. And on subtracting this, a square plus b square is equal to 25. A square minus b square is equal to 7. On subtracting, what will happen? Negative, positive, negative cancel, and 2b square is equal to how much? 15, 7, 8, 1. Therefore, b square is equal to 9 and b is equal to plus minus 3. So, in fact, what we were needed? We were needed to find out the value of a and b. And therefore, we got the value of a and b. And now, when AB is positive, then you take a positive, b positive, or a negative, b negative. Why? I'll just give you the explanation of this. See, if you take plus a into plus b, will it be positive AB? You need to find out AB must be positive. And if you take minus a into minus b is equal to how much? Again positive AB. So positive AB. So what is the value of this particular number? So therefore root over 7 plus 24i is equal to a plus ib. What is a? 4 plus b is 3, 3i, or minus 4 is minus 4 minus 3i. This is the values of the square root of this number. Now let us discuss the second question. Same way, let minus 4 minus 3i is equal to a plus ib. Therefore, squaring both sides, what can you have? Minus 4 minus 3i is equal to a square minus b square plus 2iab. I hope you might have understood from the previous example. A square, I square, b square. I square is minus 1, so minus b square plus 2ab. Now, therefore, comparing a square minus b square is equal to minus 4, equation 1, and 2ab is equal to minus 3, equation 2. Now, again we have to find out a square plus b square whole square is equal to a square minus b square whole square plus 4a square b square. So, a square plus b square whole square is equal to a square minus b square is equal to how much? Minus 4 whole square plus 2ab whole square. This is equal to a square plus b square whole square is equal to 16 plus minus 3 whole square. So 16 plus 9. Here we can say a square plus b square is equal to 16 plus 9 root over is equal to 5. So this is equation number 3. Now a square minus b square is equal to how much? Minus 4, and a square plus b square is equal to how much? 5. On adding, this is cancelled. 2a square is equal to 1. Therefore, a square is equal to how much? 1 by 2. Therefore, a is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. Similarly, a square minus b square is equal to minus 4. and a square plus b square is equal to 5. Then on subtracting negative, 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 how much it is? This is cancelled. Minus 2b square minus 9. Therefore, b square is equal to 9 by 2. So, b is equal to plus minus 3 by root 2. And now, therefore, what is the square root of? Minus 4 minus 3i is equal to a plus ib. Again, you look at the AB. AB is your negative now. So, when AB is negative, then when you take A positive, then B must be taken as negative, because positive into negative is equal to negative. And when A is negative, then B must be taken as positive, because negative into positive will be negative. So anyway, we have to find out the value of AB as a negative. Therefore, here when you write down the answer, A you write first positive, root over minus 4 minus 3i. Root A is equal to how much? Take positive, 1 by root 2. But B will be equal to how much? Minus 3 by root 2. So this will be equal to 1 by root 2 common, 1 minus 3i. And then when you take minus 4 minus 3i, A is negative. Now when you take A is negative minus 1 by root 2, then B must be taken as positive 3 by root 2, and so it will be 1 by root 2 minus 1 plus 3i. So this is the solution of this particular question. Now let us discuss the third question. In third question, when you look, it is not exactly in the format of a plus ib, but still we can do it, because a is your 0 and b is your 1. So it is still indirectly in a complex form. So let root over I is equal to a plus ib. Squaring both sides, I is equal to a plus ib whole square. I is equal to a square minus b square plus 2abi. Therefore, a square minus b square, can it be written as 0 plus 1 into I, a square minus b square plus 2abi. Can you compare the real part? Therefore, a square minus b square is equal to 0, equation number 1, and 2ab is equal to 1, equation number 2. Now we need to find out a square plus b square. So therefore, a square plus b square the whole square is equal to a square minus b square whole square plus 4a square b square. So a square plus b square the whole square is equal to 0 plus 2ab the whole square, and so a square plus b square is equal to 1 whole square root over therefore 1. So this is equation number 3. Now solve 1 and 3. A square minus b square is equal to 0. A square plus b square is equal to 1. On adding, this is cancelled. 2a square is equal to 1. Therefore, a square is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. And then a square minus b square is equal to 0. A square plus b square is equal to 1. On subtracting, negative, 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 cancel. Minus 2b square is equal to minus 1, cancel. B square is equal to 1. Therefore, b is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. So here look at the AB. AB is your positive. So both we will take positive or both we will take negative. So therefore root over I is equal to how much? A plus IB. A is positive 1 by root 2. Then B will be also positive 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, 1 plus I. This is your square root of this I. And then another one, root I is equal to minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 I. So minus 1 by root 2 common 1 plus I. So this is your square root of this number. So therefore this way we can easily find out the square root of the given number. And I have given in the notes also some of the questions I have explained there. You try to connect with these videos and notes, you will be able to find out the square root of the given number. Now remember children, don't worry if you are unable to do. Feel free to ask me, you send the question. I will try to my level best to make you understand through videos or WhatsApp. I will solve it and send you back. Those who have given some of the questions today or maybe tomorrow, I will solve it and send you back. Thank you.